Higher education, once considered a ticket to success, is now facing a crisis of devaluation. This transformative shift in the value of higher education in the United States is masterfully explored in Jason Wingard's The College Devaluation Crisis. As the costs of college rise and students grapple with mounting debt, the traditional college degree is losing its luster. But it's not all gloom and doom. In this crisis, Wingard identifies a silver lining: the emergence of alternative pathways to learning. Online tutorials, boot camps, and innovative organizations are offering flexible and cost-effective alternatives to traditional education. These new models promise to align more closely with the evolving demands of the job market. The landscape of continuous learning is evolving, and the future might look quite different from the past. The question that arises is, what are the key concepts from this book that can help you navigate this crisis? Stick around to find out. The first concept from the book is the emergence of alternatives to the traditional college degree. This concept highlights the rise of flexible and cost-effective options that supplement or even replace the standard college education. These include online tutorials and boot camps that provide specific skills training, often tailored to modern job requirements. To put this concept into practice, consider exploring online tutorials or boot camps that align with your desired field. This could range from coding to digital marketing or even entrepreneurship. Additionally, earning certificates or badges that demonstrate your proficiency in these skills can add significant value to your resume. Platforms like Udemy offer low-cost, expert-led courses in a multitude of fields, making continuous learning accessible and affordable. Remember, in our rapidly changing world, the traditional college degree is no longer the only pathway to success. The second concept from the book is the devaluation of the college degree. In our evolving world, the market-based value of a traditional college degree has seen a significant decline. Factors such as soaring costs of college education, escalating student debt, and shifting economic demands have played pivotal roles in this change. It's a harsh reality that the relevance of a college degree isn't what it used to be. But how can you navigate this new landscape? Here's a practical approach. Step 1. Assess your career goals against market needs to determine the necessity of a degree. Step 2. Consider apprenticeships such as those offered by Apprenti for valuable on-the-job learning experiences. Lastly, Step 3. Utilize platforms like Handshake to match your skills with potential employers rather than relying solely on a traditional degree. In essence, the relevance of a college degree is no longer what it used to be. The third concept from the book is the rise of skills-based education and hiring. This idea underscores the growing emphasis on practical learning and skills-based job descriptions. The world is evolving and so are the demands of the job market. Skills are becoming the new currency, replacing the traditional reliance on degrees. This shift doesn't just change how we learn, but also how we get hired. To put this concept into practice, consider engaging in continuous learning models like Degreed, Careerist, and MindHub. They offer ongoing skill development which can keep you updated and competitive. Consider also partnering with organizations like Ernst & Young. They run specialized learning programs that provide you with the skills employers are looking for. Lastly, create a plan that focuses on immediate skills applicability. Organizations like Practera can help with this. They assist in developing actionable strategies that put your new skills to work right away. The future of education is shifting towards skills-based learning and hiring. The college devaluation crisis offers a thoughtful perspective on the evolving landscape of continuous learning. We've journeyed through 3 key concepts from the book. First, we looked at alternatives to the traditional college degree, where we discovered that online tutorials, boot camps, and skill-specific courses can offer flexible and cost-effective paths to success. Second, we delved into the devaluation of the college degree, understanding that market shifts, rising costs, and increasing debt have diminished its relevance. We learned that assessing personal career goals and exploring on-the-job learning can be valuable strategies in today's economy. Lastly, we touched on the rise of skills-based education and hiring, recognizing the importance of continuous learning, practical skills, and upskilling to meet immediate needs. As we close, let's remember that education is an ever-changing field, and it's up to us to stay ahead of the curve. Ever wished the wisdom of your favorite books could seamlessly translate into your daily life? Jump on board the Idea Express. Each review comes with 3 tailor-made, actionable steps drawn right from the book's core insights. Subscribe to Idea Express today and learn something new tomorrow.